We all know MrBeast likes to give away a lot of money, but what happens to people who took part in MrBeast challenges but didn't end up winning? Where are they today? And most importantly, what are they doing? On the 24th of November 2021, MrBeast released one of his most popular videos on his channel, this being the Squid Games in real life. And that brings me on to talk about contestant number 67, aka Camilla. You see, if you watch the video, she featured so little screen time. However, the video got millions of views. But what was the actual issue with MrBeast making Camilla famous? Well, that came down to her job. You see, Camilla likes to promote her private community to a young audience. You see, straight after featuring a MrBeast video, Camilla took straight to YouTube, curating her channel, posting what seems to be absolute garbage. I'm not one to hate on someone's channel, but when you're using actual kids to promote your private community, it comes across quite bad. And I can't sit here and record this video and not help but call your content absolute garbage.
Alright, I get this question way too much, even in school, basically everywhere I go, if I ever get recognized. What do they mean if it's pink?
Unfortunately, Camilla's story didn't stop there, and as she got more desperate for money, her content grew worse by the day. And everyone knew MrBeast made a mistake when she started hanging around with Jack Doherty. Camilla and Jack would then continue to use MrBeast's name for fame and money.
Alright, who's the most famous person in your contacts?
Probably MrBeast.
How do you know him?
I was in the Squid Games video as 067.
Alright, FaceTime him, prove it. Think he'll answer you?
I don't know.
Jimmy B.
Come on, Jimmy.
So if that was MrBeast's number, it's very clear to see that she has been blocked. However, what's most sad about this situation is Camilla's making a lot of money off the back end of MrBeast and promoting her private community to kids. She has a $200,000 Audi R8, alongside her boyfriend who helps manage her content, who's got a G-Wagon, and obviously much, much more. Our next contestant is no other than Mack Hopkins. A lot of you guys watching this video may recognise Mack as someone who featured a lot in Airrack's videos. If you don't know who Airrack is, he's a massive YouTuber and does a lot of similar videos to MrBeast. The truth is that Mack used to be a video editor for Airrack. The more and more Mack got featured on Airrack's videos, the more and more people absolutely loved his personality. However, Mack's first appearance on the MrBeast YouTube channel was in this video called Last to Leave the Circle Wins $500,000. Now, Mack was actually the first person out of the 100 to leave the circle. He made a big deal about it and he actually ended up winning a car, so it kind of went in his favour. However, just from this snippet, you can see how much of a likeable guy Mack is, and this led him on to creating his own YouTube channel.
He's overplaying this so much. Just step out. Oh.
Today marks the start of my journey. I am going to attempt to start a YouTube channel.
As in this video titled The Start, he went over why he wants to make the best content possible. And just a week after posting this video, he posted another video titled Surviving 100 Hours Controlled by AI. And this video generated over 4 million views. So surely Mack knew he was an up-and-coming YouTuber and was about to make an absolute killing off it. Well, that's what everyone thought until he didn't post for months on end. And to this day, there are still no more videos on his channel. However, Mack's story was far from over as he featured on MrBeast's video World's Most Dangerous Trap. And he was the main character of this full video. The aim of this video was to escape all the escape rooms and at the end get $1 million. However, on the Squid Games level, Mack's dreams got destroyed. Unfortunately, he broke his cookie and he lost absolutely everything. This had everyone in the comments section begging for Mack to make a return. And of course he did. In this video called Face Your Biggest Fear, Win $800,000, Mack got given a second opportunity. Although Mack was very determined to win, the same thing happened again. He failed at the final hurdle. This was now 2 MrBeast videos that Mack had featured in and completely failed. On the 15th of June 2024, MrBeast released the finale, The World's Deadliest Obstacle Course. In this video, once again, Mack was the main character attacking these courses that MrBeast made. And at the end, if he completed all the obstacle courses, a massive cash prize. And this was Mack's 3rd attempt of winning it. And as everyone was glad to see, Mack did actually end up winning the prize money. No one has really heard from Mack since this video, so I'm just going to assume he's out there enjoying the money that he earned. Our next contestant is the D'amelio family. The D'amelio family featured on MrBeast's new series called The Creator Games. This was basically where a bunch of influencers came together to answer trivia questions to see who would win, the end prize pool being $300,000. Now, although they didn't lose this challenge, they definitely deserve to be on the list because they cheated. Anyone who cheats in my eyes definitely gets put on the losers list. Now, not to mention, it was literally a 4v1 for the majority of the video since they had the whole family involved. There was many times they were caught on their phones. I know this photo was quite blurry due to all the footage being deleted from MrBeast's channel, but you can clearly see that Charli D'amelio is holding a phone. Many people are saying how they're constantly looking off camera at the side, like they're looking at a laptop or someone else in the room, and it really indicates they're cheating. And to top it off, they got pretty much every question correct. But best believe I'm going to let you guys decide down below in the comments if you think they're cheating or not and what you think of this whole scenario. Our next contestant is a Fortnite player known by D-Tibbe. In December of 2022, MrBeast announced his first ever Fortnite event. The winner of this event walks away with $1 million. You basically have to survive on this island and get as many points as possible. However, the only prize pool in this tournament is the $1 million for the winner only. And that's why I want you guys to meet D-Tibbe, a Fortnite mobile pro. And of course, as you can imagine, he took part in the MrBeast $1 million tournament. Now, all was going well because D-Tibbe was in #1 spot until the very last minute. And remember how I said if you don't come first, you don't get anything. Well, D-Tibbe actually ended up coming second by only 2,000 points. The person you're watching on screen now, his name is Guild, and he was the person who ended up stealing first place and winning the $1 million. And surprisingly, D-Tibbe wasn't actually mad about the situation. As you can see about the tweet, he seems pretty humble about it, and it really doesn't seem like he cares too much. MrBeast obviously saw this and felt really bad, and this is where he put up this poll on Twitter. A quick poll basically saying what should second place get, $10,000 or a taco. Now obviously Twitter being Twitter, the taco won. And what's actually super funny is D-Tibbe actually replied underneath this poll of a video of him unboxing a taco from MrBeast. I guess MrBeast really wasn't joking with this poll when he said a taco. And to be honest with you guys, I don't know what D-Tibbe is doing today as he hasn't posted on his YouTube channel for over a year. Possibly MrBeast gave him some money in the DMs and he's just out there living his life, or he simply grew up and had to do school. However, that's it from me. I'm sure you'll love one of these videos on the screen now. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.